Hi, and welcome to Level Up Cartooning, where our goal is to take the mystery out of the drawing process by breaking it into easy-to-follow steps. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Today we're going to do something I used to do with my live anime classes back when we had live anime classes. We're going to draw a well-known American cartoon character, but we're going to draw it with anime eyes. Why? Because we can, and because it's fun. Today's victim, Mickey Mouse. If you like it, we'll do more of these, maybe make it a regular feature. Just a reminder to hit the subscription button, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the Level Up Cartooning episodes, and don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. We're going to draw Mickey Mouse with anime eyes step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. In this first step, we'll draw what I call the roadmap to get Mickey's size, proportions, and pose right. Remember, until we do the last step, where we draw the details, it's important to draw as light as possible, whisper on paper. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the whole character is. In this drawing, Mickey is roughly 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 3 of those, not counting his ovally ears. Throughout this lesson, you may need to pause or go back. Please do. That's the beauty of this being a video. Watch it as many times as you need to. All right, so let's start with that roadmap for Mickey Mouse with anime eyes. So there's our roadmap of Mickey Mouse. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. Here, creepy anime Mickey starts to look like creepy anime Mickey. Understand, we're still drawing as light as possible in this step. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put his strange anime eyes, his nose, and his mouth. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out anime Mickey's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Mickey Mouse with anime eyes. Alright, with the roadmap done, and Mickey's weird anime eyes and other features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have the fun. We get to draw the final details of weird anime-eyed Mickey. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done the hard work figuring all that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve till the very end. So let's draw in Mickey Mouse with anime eyes. Okay, so there he is, Mickey Mouse with anime eyes. Kind of looks like a genetic experiment gone bad, right? So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Mickey, no matter what kind of eyes you gave him, you cannot expect to draw him perfect. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Mickey during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. So now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Mickey. With that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw Mickey, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link in the description below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your mutant anime Mickey. If you can, take a picture and post it on Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag LevelUpCartooning. Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, keep drawing, my friends.